What's up everybody? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. In this video we have a 94 C10 in here getting some work done on it. Fuel injector pigtails got some brittle wiring on them so it misfires every now and then. It's pretty common on throttle bodies. So we're going to pull them off, put some new injector pigtails on it and get it going again. So like, subscribe, share with your friends, and here we go. Now typically the wire breaks where it goes to this little rubber grommet right here, comes out the bottom. So I'm gonna have to fix that boot. You can see somebody's already done some taping on it and messed with it. So we're gonna just pull it all out and redo it. I'm going to say that's probably what the problem was. That bark melted on this connector. The customer said she could wiggle one of these wires and it would intermittently work and not work. So. I think we found another problem in the process of wiggling the wires around. The coolant temperature sensor connector has got some broke wires done under or something, so I'm going to order one of them up and we're going to replace that one too. So. It's got a bunch of rust and corrosion inside the connector, so that's probably what was causing the actual problem. So let's get it changed out. sure you always got the right connector before you start cutting things up. Definitely make sure you get the right wires to go to the right colors. Give a good tug. I'm pulling pretty hard to make sure these don't come apart. I mean, you could solder them or use heat shrink connectors, which I use heat shrink connectors on quite a bit of stuff. Just not this particular application, just regular old connectors are fine. Make sure you wrap it in tape. And just like that, we have got a new coolant temp sensor connector wired in and both new fuel injector connectors wired in.